Good morning, everyone. My name is Rajveer Kumar Soni and I'm from BCA third year. So first of all, thanks to Neeraj sir for giving me this golden opportunity. So my topic is Introduction to MongoDB. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, what is MongoDB? MongoDB is an open source document-oriented NoSQL database that stores the data in the format of modern SQL, not like as a table collections like row and column. So that is the key concept of MongoDB as a NoSQL does not use traditional table-based structure. Document-oriented means it is the developer-friendly. Third one is released in 2009 by MongoDB inclusions. Then, if I talk about the key feature of MongoDB, first of all, document-oriented is store the data in a JSON file. That means flexible and developer-friendly. Second one is high performance means memory mapped storage and indexing for very fast. Third is scalability, that is scaled from a single server to the thousands of machines. And fifth one is flexible schema. Sixth one is replacement, replication, and sixth one is sharding. So, if I talk about advantages of MongoDB, so first that is the easy horizontal scalability. Second is high availability. Third is flexible data structure. Fourth is big data ready that store the large amount of data in the single commands. Fifth one is fast data access that easy to retrieve the data in the large amount. If I talk about disadvantage of MongoDB, high memory consumption means if we store the data that will be consumed the high memory. And secondly, data duplication. If I enter the same DBMS in the like collection of student, then other DBMS we create the same collection of student that called data duplications. And third one is limited complex ones, and fourth one is complex transactions of database. And if I talk about the application of MongoDB, that is e-commerce platform, CMS publishing, mobile application, social media app, IoT applications, real-time analysis that store the amount of data like user catalogs and IoT. Store the data of Arduino ID is the example of we have used a compiler. Then we can do the live coding at MongoDB. So just go to MongoDB campus. I'm just create a database. Use the command use library. Enter. Here, created a database means the name of library. So I'm just make the collection db dot create the collection of the name is books that will be created, and I'm just insert the data in the collection of books using db dot collection name is what books dot insert one, and the book name is AIML, and the price of that book is just ₹99. Here created, I'm just show the database name and our collections data. First show DBS, that's our database name. Here multiple database, and for showing the db dot books, and so the data I enter. The book name is Rajveer, that will be previous data, and book name is AIML, and price is what 99. So that's from my side. Thank you.